Hi friends, this video shows how to connect TV to a hidden Wi-Fi network. Go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. Let me turn on Wi-Fi. Then go down, select add new network. Here we need to enter the name of hidden Wi-Fi network. So let me enter the name of hidden Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi 2024, that is the name of the hidden Wi-Fi network. Let me submit. Here we need to select type of security. Let me select WPA2 personal. Here we need to enter the password of hidden Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. Let me enter the password. Okay, done. Let me submit. See, it's connecting. Okay, connected. So this way we can connect TV to hidden Wi-Fi network. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.